We are pleased to show you 2021 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut, daytime running lights, fog lights. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, heated seats, driver attention alert system, electronic messaging assistance with read function, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, transmission temperature gauge, child safety locks, multifunction display. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.